Look at the number of people that's here. It's amazing. This is the famous, what's the name of the street?
The Umbrella.
Umbrella Street. This is Umbrella Street. Check it out. People taking a lot of videos. Here I am. This is life right here. Okay. Finally got it. Here I am on the Carnival Legend, and we are about to sail. We're going to go up on the Lido deck, which is the 9th deck, and we're going to watch them sail away. Keep watching to see all the excitement. Here I am on the Carnival Legend, day 3. And I want to just talk about some of the experiences that I've had on the ship. And this has been very, very nice. We're going to be hitting the Celebration Key port tomorrow morning. So some of the things that I did was I went to Medusa's Lair Dance Club last night, which is by the Alchemy Bar. Today at 7:15 I'm going to check out the Alchemy Bar. It's going to be Boomer's night, so we're going to be listening to some good music. Of course, we were the best generation ever born. But as you can see behind me, it's very, very nice. I love this ship. The food's been great. I ate at Guy's Hamburger today, and it was something else. I gotta watch my hat because the wind is blowing. But can't wait to get to Celebration Key tomorrow, and I'll check with you later. Thanks for watching. Okay, we are on the Carnival Legend. This is day 4. But there was a problem. The wind was too high, so we could not dock at the Carnival, the Celebration Key. So we're heading on to the next port, which is, what's the next port?
The
Princess Cays. So we're heading there. So that's all I have to say right now. Once we get to Princess Cays, keep watching to see the next video. And don't forget, subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And we will get back with you the next video, the next scene.
Yeah, thank you.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. We're scared.
Okay, folks, we are heading into Turks and Caicos, Grand Turks. As you can see, it's a beautiful, beautiful island. We're running a little late, but we are getting there. Here we are. Very, very nice place. Been eating good. Food was great. Here we are. We decided to get a balcony this time, but most of the time we get it anyway. Thanks for watching, and keep watching for the rest of the episode. Thanks for watching. Okay, here we are. We just made it downtown Turks Caicos, Grand Turk. We're just walking through the downtown area. At least that's what the guy told me. So here we go. Here's my lovely wife. Say something.
Hello.
She's scared to talk. But we got here, even though they canceled Celebration Key on us because it was too windy. And what was the other place? Princess K too. They did the same thing with Princess K. But as you can see, we made it. And we're gonna do a tour of the downtown. And keep watching, see the end. I'm gonna let you see a little bit of it, okay? Okay, this is what I'm looking at here. Here I am here. And this is downtown. Giving you a panoramic view of the whole place. That's it. Keep watching. Me and my lovely wife right here.
Hiya.
It's a wonderful place to visit. Get closer to me, honey. Take a look at me.
Yes.
This is us. We got it here. And love it so far. So let me take you look at the whole situation here. This is behind me, and this is what we're doing. So keep watching until the end, and you'll see more in a minute. Check out the next video that's coming out.
Esos son más turistas de los otros barcos.
Somos turistas.
We are in Puerto Plata.
Dos puertos. Ese está ahí, ¿no? Aquí hay dos chicos.
We have two ships up here.
Oh, okay.
And these people you see here
Oh, the
is going
ship,
to another
yeah.
ship here. Oh, NCL? That's the name of the
Dominican
ship.
Republic.
Ya, esa es la
Puerto
de Joy,
Plata.
de la norilla,
You must come see. We came on the Carnival Legend.
y un de la Royal Caribbean hay otro también. Esas son tiendas. Ya, Larimar.
Headed to Umbrella Street. It's a private tour we're taking once we got off the ship of
Vamos ahí y después caminamos.
Carnival
Yo
Legend.
voy a parquear, yo lo
Keep
saco.
watching.
Tem que passar o carro e eu tô...
Okay. We're walking around in Puerto Plata. Here we are. Decided to take a walk through here. As you can see, it's a lot of people here in the DR. A lot of people. see it's a lot of people here. Look at this, it's the street right here. Look at the number of people that's here. It's amazing. This is the famous, what's the name of this street?
The umbrella.
Umbrella Street. This is Umbrella Street. Check it out. People taking a lot of videos. Here I am. This is life right here. You have to visit these places. Come on over. Watch this bus right here. They're coming down the street. He's coming down. You gotta watch this street here. This is Dominican Republic. Don't miss out on this. I will be commenting and rating this Carnival Legend cruise 10-day. We left March 30th. I will be rating this video on a scale of 1 to 10 at the end. So please keep watching. Let's get started on the conclusion of this cruise. I want to talk about the first 2 ports that was canceled because of unfavorable conditions. Celebration Key was the first one. Princess Cays was the second one. Okay, and they ended up replacing I guess it was Princess Cays with Nassau, Bahamas, which I had been to before. I didn't want to go back there. Then we ended up going to Grand Turk and Amber Cove, which I enjoyed Amber Cove. Two things I guess I could say I didn't like. One, the toast and pancakes was very hard, and the food was kind of cold. But other than that, it was okay. And so I'm going to rate this cruise a 5 out of 1 to 10. Could have been better, but that's the way things go. And I hope you keep watching my videos, my traveling videos. And like, comment, and subscribe, please. See you the next travels. Thanks for watching.